The Nintendo Switch?
Yeah!
Oh my gosh! Nintendo Switch! What?
Yeah, Bodie found something.
Maybe it fell off of Santa's pack when he was going
It
back
could have
up.
fallen off of Santa because that's where he comes through the chimney. Right?
Santa left an urgent message for all of the Brown children outside in the mailbox. Please have only Sawyer and Daddy go get it. Sincerely, 9, the Scout Elf. Go get the mail, baby. Go here.
Make sure you guys run.
Yeah, you gotta run.
Cold.
You gotta get the mail. Come on. A letter? What? All right, let's go take it back inside. It's cold out. Let's go. Run. All right, come on, let's go inside. I don't know. She doesn't let me look. Here's the first clue. I hid the first scroll in the box that dries your clothes.
Wait.
That's all you've got. It was in the dryer?
Yep.
To find the first scroll, you must think and look under a bathroom.
Is there anything under there?
No.
Not
No
there.
scroll? You guys see a scroll?
Is there a scroll in there? Go downstairs, Sawyer. Got it, Ro? Yeah, let me see.
Math is numbers, not a game, yet math can bring you wealth and fame. You'll crack the puzzle for the third and turn your numbers into words.
18.
There you go.
170 divided by 5. How do you do all that in your head?
Mom's closet.
Mom's closet?
Wait, what's yours?
Like you, this clue is short and sweet. Find something in your room that's pink.
This is pink.
Wait, what? You found it? Oh, I didn't even see that.
Opposite of down is what? Good. You go down an elevator, but you climb up the what?
Stairs.
There you go. You lie through your teeth, but you nap in your...
What does it say, guys?
Upstairs under oldest kid's bed.
Upstairs under oldest kids. Who's the oldest kid?
That one running.
Guys, Bodie's got the clue. He's got the clue.
I found school.
Don't forget your coats and your boots. It's cold outside and it's wintry too. You must all hold hands and do it as one, so no one is first or last when you run. Now switch on your gears. This is the last clue. Merry Christmas morning to all of you. Walk. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I found a box bag.
Bro. Guys, calm down.
Maybe you want another letter in it. I did it!
Hold on.
Wait, stop. Body,
There's
sissy.
another. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
Yes, we got it!
What is it? I don't even know what it is.
That hooks up to the TV!
The Nintendo Switch?
Yeah!
Oh my gosh! Nintendo Switch! What?
Oh my goodness.
Look it up. Oh my gosh!
Crying.
Oh, you're crying. Oh, buddy. Aw. It's okay. Are you just so...
wanted it.
I know.
Guys,
Oh, turn around. It's not in the box.
Where is it? Where is it? In case you were wondering where your Switch might be hiding, use the key I put in this box and see what I've put in a place that's locked.
Let's go get it.
What is that?
Where would it
That's
be?
a key.
To where?
Oh, I know. Down the stairs. Yeah. Oh, are you?
Oh my God! You just jumped 3 stairs.
We found it. Our Switch.
Back.
This is the
Let her
best
hold
day
it.
of my life.
Santa swept up your Switch for you?
This is the best day of your life?